Welcome to this tutorial on 5 Wix tips and tricks to make your website better. Wix is a popular website builder that allows users to create professional-looking websites without any coding knowledge. In this guide we will explore 5 key tips and tricks to help you get the most out of Wix and create a website that stands out from the crowd. Firstly, customize your website's design by using Wix's built-in templates and drag-and-drop editor. This allows you to easily add or remove elements, change colors and fonts, and arrange your content in a way that suits your needs. For example, you can use the Wix template gallery to find a template that matches your brand and then customize it to fit your style. Secondly, optimize your website for search engines by using Wix's SEO tools. This includes adding keywords and descriptions to your pages, customizing your URL structure, and submitting your site to search engines. For instance, you can use the Wix SEO Whiz tool to get personalized recommendations for improving your website's search engine ranking. Thirdly, use Wix's built-in analytics tool to track your website's performance and understand your visitors' behavior. This includes tracking page views, unique visitors, and bounce rates, as well as analyzing your website's conversion rates and sales funnels. For example, you can use the Wix Analytics tool to see which pages on your website are most popular and adjust your content accordingly. Fourthly, enhance your website's user experience by using Wix's interactive features such as contact forms, surveys, and quizzes. These features allow you to engage with your visitors, collect feedback, and build a community around your website. For instance, you can use the Wix contact form feature to create a custom form that matches your website's design and allows visitors to get in touch with you easily. Lastly, make your website mobile-friendly by using Wix's mobile editor. This allows you to customize your website's layout and design for mobile devices, ensuring that your website looks great and functions well on smaller screens. For example, you can use the Wix mobile editor to hide or rearrange elements on your website's mobile version, creating a seamless user experience for mobile visitors. By following these 5 Wix tips and tricks, you can create a website that is not only visually appealing but also functional, user-friendly, and optimized for search engines. Remember to always keep your website up to date, test new features, and analyze your performance regularly to ensure your website continues to improve and meet your goals. With Wix and these tips, you can create a professional-looking website that helps you achieve success online.